All right, guys, welcome back to another video with Shaded Content. And again, we are here. It's Vlogmas Day. Again, I have been trying to put out videos for Vlogmas, but in today's video, we are at a location. Where are we at, babe? Because we're in your hometown.
We are in the BCS, Bryan College Station area.
Yes, actually Texas A&M is literally right on the other side of this camera. Really cool. So we are actually here to look at a location for our future print shop / showroom for Mimaki. So here in the as close to Houston as possible, even though we live out there in Cypress, we are actually looking at this area. Chelly knows this area really well. You can get some really good deals out here. So we are looking to kind of expand the Mimaki brand to the Gulf Coast area. So right now they have their showroom in Irving, Texas, but people in Houston area, you know, Beaumont, Galveston, Sugar Land, all these areas, Katy, we all have to drive 4 hours away to even go lay our eyes on a Mimaki printer. Well, we have the opportunity to be the showroom for the Gulf Coast area, working with Mimaki and AMCAT. So that's what we're doing. We are now right here in College Station, and we are here to kind of go over everything, kind of look at, you know, some different buildings. We will be looking at some different buildings in our area, Cypress and Spring and Woodlands area and Conroe, and maybe even some other ones here. But Chelly really likes this one because it's right across the street from the college, and there's just a lot going on right here. So, and this is the big main road called Texas
Avenue. Yeah.
Texas Avenue. So, yep. So this is a vlog. We just contacted a lady. She's going to come in here and show us around, and we think that we can fit a couple of printers in here. So, let's just Chelly's going over there, so we're just going to keep vlogging and just kind of fill you guys in.
So could we keep like that board on the wall, this board, like if we want?
I can ask them. They want to leave it.
Yeah, just say, can they have everything
leave-
in there?
yeah, leave
Just
it.
like, don't even worry about
Yeah.
it. We'll keep it on. I'm sure you utilize that chair and
Yeah,
yeah.
Because that's the vibe that we kind of have.
Yeah. We got a young vibe going. Where's that clock?
Oh, they just did a frame.
Oh.
Actually, did a-
So this is it, guys.
If somebody started to take it off, they could rip it off.
This thing is truly amazing. I like the parking lot in the back. There's a lot of spacing and a lot of parking space in the back. That's cool. Yeah. I like the colors too. The gray and the white.
Oh, it's nice board in here.
Right. So then this is the whole space. Let's do a thumbnail. Okay. And then do one with me.
They have Wi-Fi already put in here.
They got what?
Wi-Fi's already put in here.
Oh, nice. Do a little picture. We're YouTubers. It pays the bills.
Just put a plant over
Good.
in that corner.
Yeah.
Yeah.
To accent this. Yeah, I think
I like it. I like it a lot.
Nick, we hope you like it. But that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Again, stay tuned for the next vlog and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and yeah, we got more stuff coming. Peace.